Today in the grain market, a little bit of a mixed bag with soybeans up again. The old crop supplies are starting to tighten up a little bit and giving the market a little bit of strength. It's driving the futures higher. Traders do remain pretty bullish fundamentally at this point, but and we're now just 30 cents away from a new all-time high. That's something to watch out for. Now, the option open interest I thought was interesting today, very strong in the July contract with a plus 6,000 calls and a plus 7,000 puts. That means that there's a lot of people participating in the market with just over 30 days away from expiration. Something to watch as we go forward. The C-vol for soybeans is at 22.3%. The soybean oil is 34.4 and the meal is 26.6, so pretty strong overall. The corn today was lower. There's profit taking to end the week today. The futures were down, albeit slightly. I think the trend all week has been a bit lower, even though the weekly export sales were somewhat better today. I think that the futures are just 25 cents off that $8 benchmark. And in the grand scheme of things, $25 is, kind of just a day's work the way the market's been moving. So it's something to watch out for, but we are a little bit lower. The option open interest in July was plus 2,600 on the calls, plus 5,000 on the put. So it's always been a 2-to-1, but this time it's just adding again to more options on the board. So there's going to be a lot of play in the market going forward. The C-vol's at 30.6%, so that's relatively strong from where we've been. Now the wheat's been down again. It was a little bit hard, but India now agrees to ship some grain as opposed to they kind of went back on that ban. That being said, it's only some, and we have to watch that closely. They're changing course just a bit. The traders' relief are just sending futures lower because it's the end of the week. The talk of also reopening Ukraine exports is adding to that, and that's what really kind of sent the market a little bit lower, just exiting some of their longs. Kansas City was also down almost 45 cents at one point. That being said, that we're well into the winter wheat harvest, so that's kind of a negative. That would add to some of that market pressure. The option open interest really had not much happening, maybe a little bit of small put buying, so that's not necessarily moving the needle, but the futures were down in the July contract almost 30 cents at one point, so it's just something to watch. Now the C-vol is at 47.9%, so that's trying to work its way back to that 50% mark, so it's still pretty strong. I think that overall it seems that there's more global demand for grain, and it's bigger than the supply, so that's something that we're going to watch going forward.